Describing household chores. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your favorite English learning channel, English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about describing household chores in English. You'll learn how to speak about your daily tasks at home, how to use common vocabulary for chores, and how to form simple sentences about your responsibilities. Let's begin this interesting and useful conversation. Do you help with housework, Altaf?
Yes, I do help with housework. In fact, I believe everyone should share the responsibility of keeping the house clean and organized. One of the chores I do regularly is washing the dishes. After every meal, I clean the plates, spoons, and glasses and put them in the rack to dry.
That's great. Washing the dishes is a very common chore. I usually do it in the evening. In the morning, my first task is making my bed. I arrange the pillows, fold the blanket, and make sure everything looks tidy. It makes my room feel fresh and clean.
Making the bed in the morning gives a good start to the day. I do the same. After that, I usually sweep the floor in my room. Sometimes I use a broom, and sometimes I use a vacuum cleaner, especially when I want to clean under the bed or the furniture. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes, but it makes a big difference.
I agree. A clean floor makes the whole house feel better. Do you do laundry as well?
Yes, I do laundry every Sunday. I collect all the dirty clothes, separate the white and colored ones, and put them in the washing machine. Then I hang the clothes outside to dry. When they are dry, I fold them and keep them in the cupboard. It takes time, but it's an important chore.
I also do laundry, but I prefer doing it in small batches. That way, it doesn't feel like a big task. After laundry, I usually dust the furniture. I wipe the shelves, tables, and windows with a clean cloth to remove dust.
Dusting is important, especially in cities where dust collects very quickly. Another task I do every evening is taking out the trash. I gather all the garbage bags from the kitchen and rooms, tie them up, and throw them in the bin outside. It's a smelly job, but it keeps the house clean and fresh.
Yes, taking out the trash regularly is very important. Sometimes I also help in the kitchen. I cut vegetables, wash them, and even cook simple meals like rice or pasta. Cooking is fun and also a useful skill.
That's good to hear. I also enjoy cooking sometimes. I can make omelets, tea, and sometimes chicken curry. It gives me a sense of achievement when I cook for myself or my family.
Apart from cooking and cleaning, I also water the plants. I have a few indoor plants that need water every 2 days. Taking care of plants makes me feel relaxed and connected to nature.
That's a lovely habit. I water the plants in our backyard every morning. It's a peaceful time of the day for me. I also trim the plants and remove dry leaves to keep them healthy.
One more thing I do is ironing clothes. I iron my clothes the night before, especially if I have an important class or event the next day. It helps me look neat and well prepared.
Yes, ironing is something I don't like, but I have to do it too. Crisp and clean clothes give a good impression.
So, we've talked about many chores today. Making the bed, washing dishes, sweeping the floor, doing laundry, dusting, taking out the trash, cooking, watering plants, and ironing clothes.
Yes. And while these chores might seem small, they are essential for a clean and organized life. Learning to describe these tasks in English helps you express your daily routine clearly.
Absolutely. Let's quickly revise what we have learned today. We learned the names of different household chores and how to describe them in simple sentences.
We also learned how to talk about daily responsibilities using verbs like sweep, wash, iron, cook, fold, and dust. These words are very common in daily conversations.
Dear viewers, don't forget to practice these sentences at home. Talk about what chores you do every day and use English to describe them.
Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you learned something useful. Keep practicing and improving your English every day.
We'll see you in the next video with another helpful topic. Till then, take care and keep learning with English with Altaf.